In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable restricted mode on YouTube app on both Android and iOS devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and after that tap right here at the bottom right corner where it says You. After that tap at that gear to head over to Settings. Then tap at General. And that's where we can easily find restricted mode. Restricted mode may help you to hide potentially mature videos, and to activate it, just tap at this toggle button next to it until it turns blue, and in the same way we can deactivate it. Keep in mind that this setting only applies to this app on this particular device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.